Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I'm with Steve and his beautiful daughter, Riley. And this is your 1963 Chrysler 300.
Correct.
And you got it from your
Father-in-law.
And what an amazing car. Now, last year we were at the same show, maybe not the same month, and I saw this and I just walked around, but I wasn't able to find you. But I remember seeing the child seat in the back, and I thought, how cool is that? Is that your seat, Riley? No?
It's our brother's.
You're too big for it, aren't you?
Yep.
Yeah. So it's a 63, and what drew you to it? I know your father-in-law had it, but...
My father-in-law had it, and we were looking for a car to go cruise around and get ice cream and take the kids out in. And this definitely fit the bill, as you can fit a lot of bodies in it.
And do you know the name of the color?
I don't. Pace Setter Blue is the color.
Pace Setter Blue.
Pace Setter Blue. It's actually a pace car.
Oh, really? Wow.
For the 1963 NASCAR races.
Okay. And we'll open the hood in a minute and talk about the engine. And I guess you get thumbs up and looks wherever you go.
I do. It's the color that usually attracts people.
Yes. And I see you have the top down. Do you ever put the top up, or?
In the winter when I store it, I'll put the top up.
Yeah.
I think it looks better. It's more fun to get in with the top down, of course.
Yeah. And I love the steering wheel too.
The big square steering wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I open the door, Steve?
Absolutely.
Just an amazing, oh wow, power seats?
Yep. Haven't actually tested them. I've left them where they're at since I got it. So.
I don't blame you. Yeah, and you're tall, you don't, as long as it's all the way back. Just a beautiful interior. And is the interior all original?
No, this interior is out of a 64 Imperial.
Okay.
Which was the same, roughly the same. It's hard to find parts, obviously, for this.
Yes.
Some of the door cards, door handles are out of the Imperial. Seats are the original.
Boy, the size of that brake pedal, holy cow.
You need it to stop the boat.
Man. And are the miles original, or is the...
Well, the motor we found out was from a 65 New Yorker. It's a 383 motor. The original block to the car, but obviously not numbers matching.
Yes. Yep, and it has the push-button transmission.
Right, the typewriter dash.
Yeah. Oh, is that what it was called?
Yep.
Very cool. Just, you know, my eyes always drawn to the steering wheel, but once you go past the steering wheel and look at the dash, it's really, really impressive. And it's cool how you could almost look at that and think, okay, it used to be a automatic or something, and they moved the gear selector, but no, it had the push button. What is your favorite feature of the vehicle?
I think it is just the top down with taking the kids out.
Yes.
They get some of the head turns and they're all waving and smiling at everybody that passes by.
Riley, what is your favorite feature of the vehicle? Yeah.
And it's just way fun than with the thing down than up.
Yeah. And it's great to be with your dad, isn't it? Dads are great. Wonderful. And Steve, can we take a look at the engine?
Sure.
And did you say the interior was out of a New Yorker?
Yes.
And the engine came out of...
no, the interior, the door cards were out of an Imperial.
Okay, I'm sorry.
The engine's out of a New Yorker.
Okay.
65.
And what engine is it?
It's a 383.
Okay. Boy, that's a big, big engine. How does it sound when you get on it?
It's loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wakes all the neighbors up in the morning.
It'll rattle things off the shelves in the house.
Yeah. Oh, and dual horns. Do the horns sound beautiful?
Sounds like a boat.
Oh, really?
It does sound like a boat.
Yeah. Well, we got to hear it now that you said that, Skipper. Holy cow. Yeah, that does sound like a boat.
It is a boat. It's 19 and a half feet long.
And can we hear you start it up?
Sure.
And should I get at the back to hear it, or?
Probably next to it. It's underneath the car.
Oh, okay. And that Chrysler starter reminds me when I was a kid. My dad had a lot of Chryslers. Just a beautiful car, Steve.
Thank you.
And does your father-in-law miss it, or he just? I was talking to him earlier, and he said he gave it to you because he has so many vehicles. He had to thin the herd.
Yeah, he had a 65 Belvedere, an Imperial, a New Yorker. He had quite a few, and when he comes down, I make him drive it.
Yeah.
So that's why he brought it today, and then I brought another car. So.
Yeah. Now he doesn't live in the St. Louis area?
He's from Kansas City.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does he miss it, does he say?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Such an amazing car. And a cigarette lighter for the back seat. You have to have that.
Right. Car had 4 ashtrays, which is kind of funny. Thinking about where we're at now.
Yeah. Wow, a grab handle. I never noticed that either.
The what?
The grab handle on the dash?
Yep.
It's one of those things, the more you look, the more you find. What do your friends think when they see it?
Oh, we have a couple friends with classic cars that will go out to cruises together. I don't think any of them actually have ever even ridden in this car. So.
Yeah. But do they get it?
Yeah. They
Yeah.
get it.
And I'm going to slide up and check out the engine. And anything we haven't covered that we should, Steve?
I don't think so.
Okay.
What's the fuel retention at?
383.
383. I was wondering if it was 440, 383, one of them.
They produced 413 with the 413 motor, which was the 440 block.
Oh, okay.
Well, Steve, thank you so very much for telling us the story behind your car. And Riley, it was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much. And thank you, Steve.